A commercial mission returning cargo from the space station, the first space station spacewalk of the year, and observing a massive volcanic eruption from space. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA. A SpaceX Dragon cargo resupply spacecraft is slated to return to Earth from the International Space Station loaded with more than 4,900 pounds of cargo, including supplies and an array of microgravity scientific experiments. The Dragon's return will cap off SpaceX's 24th commercial resupply services mission for NASA. On January 19th, 2 Russian cosmonauts ventured outside the International Space Station to conduct the station's first spacewalk of the year. During the outing, Anton Shkaplerov and Pyotr Dubrov of Roscosmos performed work to prepare the new Prishal docking module for future Russian visiting spacecraft. The first docking to Prishal is targeted for March, with the arrival of 3 cosmonauts aboard a Soyuz spacecraft. Several Earth-observing satellites are helping scientists affiliated with NASA's Disasters Program collect and share data from the massive volcanic eruption that obliterated the small, uninhabited South Pacific island known as Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai. Damage assessments are ongoing, but preliminary reports indicate that populated communities in the island nation of Tonga have taken heavy damage from volcanic ash and a tsunami caused by the eruption. Engineers at our Stennis Space Center conducted the first RS-25 engine hot fire test of the new year on January 19th. 4 RS-25s will help power our Space Launch System, or SLS, rocket on future deep space missions, including this year's uncrewed Artemis 1 mission around the Moon. This was the second overall test in the current test series, which began in mid-December. Each test provides valuable data that can be used to help develop the engines. The team assembling our X-59 quiet supersonic technology aircraft is making great progress with the developmental X-plane. The crew successfully added the tail, attached and tested out the positioning of the nose, performed a system check of the ejection seat, and moved the X-59's GE-F414 engine to facilitate a 3D engine scan. This scan helps engineers better understand the F414's fit in the engine bay. The X-59 is being built to conduct research aimed at reducing the loudness of sonic booms that can occur during supersonic flight. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on the web at nasa.gov/twan.